Unlock the secrets to earning $150 plus per day on YouTube. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to turn your passion for creating videos into a steady income stream? Well, I'm here to tell you that making $150 or more per day on YouTube is not just a dream, it's an achievable goal that's within your reach. Buckle up as we dive into some powerful strategies that could help you unlock your earning potential on the world's favorite video platform. Strategy 1: High quality content is king. The foundation of a successful YouTube channel is top-notch content. Whether you're sharing your expertise, entertaining your audience, or providing valuable insights, your videos should be engaging, informative, and well-produced. Remember, quality over quantity is the key to keeping your viewers coming back for more. Strategy 2: Consistency breeds success. Consistency is a secret ingredient to growing your channel and increasing your earnings. Develop a content schedule that works for you and stick to it. Regular uploads build trust with your audience, and improve your chances of being discovered by new viewers. Strategy 3: SEO and video optimization. Understanding how to optimize your video for search engines is crucial. Conduct keyword research to identify popular search terms related to your niche, and incorporate them into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will increase your video's visibility, and attract more organic traffic. Strategy 4: Monetize wisely. Diversify your income sources by utilizing multiple monetization methods. Besides Google AdSense, explore affiliate marketing, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding options like Patreon. The more income streams you have, the closer you get to that $150 plus daily goal. Strategy 5: Engage and connect. Build a strong connection with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your content. Engaged viewers are more likely to share your videos, subscribe to your channel, and support you financially. Strategy 6: Harness social media. Power promote your videos across various social media platforms. Share behind-the-scenes content, teasers, and engaging snippets to pique curiosity, and drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Strategy 7: Analyze, adapt, and grow regularly. Review your video analytics. Identify which videos perform best, understand audience retention rates, and adjust your content strategy accordingly. This data-driven approach will help you fine-tune your videos, and increase your overall earnings. Remember, the path to earning $150 or more per day on YouTube requires dedication, perseverance, and a genuine passion for what you do. Every video you create, every connection you make, and every lesson you learn, brings you closer to your financial goals. Are you ready to turn your YouTube hobby into a lucrative venture? Apply these strategies, be patient, and never stop learning. Your journey to making $150 plus per day on YouTube starts now. If you're hungry for more actionable tips and insider secrets, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Together, let's embark on this exciting adventure, and watch your earnings soar! Until next time, keep creating, keep thriving, and keep believing in your limitless potential.